And then sama ke salinda kuthema salinde kanjalo bese besamxilonga ngaphakathi kwafika uma ehamba nolonga.
Now we waited there inside while we were still waiting because they were busy examining him. My mother and Longwe arrived.
Yes.
Yes. And then ke makusenjalo uma wafika wasibuzwa wathi bambeke kuphi right.
While at that, my mother then asked us, where did they place him at? Is he all right?
And then mina ngakhomba nje ngathi bamfake kuleliya room.
I only signaled with my finger, as the witness has just demonstrated now, that they have placed him in that room.
Yes.
So we proceed.
And then Mawa hambaga waya towards that room.
My mother then walked towards that room.
Yes.
And then a few seconds later, sisamile nathi lapho. Ngezwe umama eqhuma ngengilo on the other side.
Should be kind. While we're still standing there, a few seconds down the line, my mother then started crying or lamenting while she was on that other side. You could hear her from there.
Did you hear your mother voicing lamentations from inside, or did she emerge amidst lamentations?
Uye wamuzwa nje ekhala nje lapho okanye uye wafika la ukhona nambona ukuthi manje uyakhala. Uzwe nje ngesililo nje.
Ngezwe nje ngesililo memeza ekhala kwakuzwakala ukuthi uyakhala uma ka memezi nje ngenasidingo.
She audibly cried, my lord. And usually when she cries, she doesn't scream. But this time around, there was that blast of a cry from her.
Yes.
So we proceed.
This is also where I realized that there's something that is not okay inside there.
Yes.
Yes. So we proceed.
And then ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uma weza kuthina la sasime khona.
I remember my mother came where we were standing.
Mangizama ukukhumbula kahle ngazuthi wayehamba nomunye wo doctor noma wo nurse ngaphakathi.
If I recall, she was in the company of one of the doctors or nurses from inside there.
Basho ukuthi uSenzo akasekho.
And then they said that Senzo is no longer.
Who said so? Was it your mother or the doctor?
Ubani washo kanjalo? Uma wakho noma
ngazuthi doctor if ngizama ukukhumbula ngazuthi doctor washo njalo.
I'm trying to remember, but if my memory
it's one
serves
of
me
them.
well, it was the doctor. It was the doctor that said so.
Yes.
And
So
then
we proceed.
uKelly wayesecela ukuthi ayombona.
Then Kelly requested for a permission to go see him.
Yes.
Wayesecela ukuthi ngibelezele ngaphakathi.
She further asked me to accompany her inside there.
Yes.
And then sangena noKelly sobabili egumbini la elele khona.
The both of us, myself and Kelly, went into the room in which he was lying.
Yes.
So we proceed.
And then uKelly wayesekhuluma naye ngisakhumbula ukuthi wayithini kuyena.
Kelly then started to talk to him. I cannot remember what she was saying exactly.
And then wayesemqabula esiphongweni.
She then kissed him on the forehead. She took out the earrings that he had.
Angisakhumbuli noma newashi khona iwashi ayilifakile, I think inalo walikhipha futhi.
And also even though I cannot clearly remember, but that she also took out the watch that he was wearing. There's a demonstration there, my lord, that the watch was worn on the wrist.
So now that is the watch that the deceased was wearing on his wrist.
Yes.
That's correct.
And the earrings are the ones that Kelly was wearing that she took off.
Ama earring abegqoka no Kelly noma
Amacici ayifake uSenzo. uSenzo wayiselela uKelly wafika wamsusa amacici wayesemkhipha newashi.
It was Senzo that had put on the earrings. Then Kelly took off those earrings and proceeded to take out the watch as well.
Yeah.
Yes, you may proceed.
Wayesekhuluma naye isikhashana.
And then she spoke with him for a while.
And then sase siyaphuma ke egumbini.
We then walked out of that room.
Yes.
Sase siyohlanganyela nabanye ke la sasime khona eqaleni.
We went together with the others that we had initially were standing with at that spot.
Yes.
Mase lapho angikhumbula ukuthi ubani wayenzani okwangempela, but wonke umuntu wayemuva nje, abanye bayakhuluma, abanye bawu2, abanye bawu3, but nje sasikhona nje lapho.
Well, while we were at that, I cannot particularize the actions of each and every person that were with us together there. 2 were there. It was some sort of a scene that had some movements. 3 was there. They were talking there, here and there.
Yes.
And then ekuthe makusenjalo kwafika ubabthwala.
While at that, Mr. Twala arrived.
So which Mr. Twala?
Chico Twala.
That is Chico Twala.
Yes.
Do you perhaps know as to how he happened to arrive at the hospital?
Ngambona nje sefika.
I don't know how did it come about. I only saw him arriving there at the hospital.
And then kwathi makusuka lapho base bamtshela ukuthi uSenzo akasekho.
Thereafter he was told that Senzo is no longer.
Wavele wehla ngobonda la eme khona, wavele wahlala phansi.
He then slid down the wall where he was standing until he was able to sit down.
Yes.
And then makusenjalo kwafika abantu ababebaningi kwakwabadlali bebhola.
While at that, a crowd of people arrived, or multitude of people arrived there. I think they were soccer players.
Neintombi zabo abanye.
Some of them with their girlfriends.
Kwakukhona futhi uMandisa nabangani bakhe.
And there was also Mandisa amidst them, together with her friends.
And just for record purposes, who is Mandisa?
Mandisa,
uMandisa kwakumuntu kaSenzo.
Umuntu kaSenzo.
Angazi noma ngathi umfazi wakhe noma.
Oh, okay. Mandisa was Senzo's partner. I cannot tell as to whether was she the wife or, but I know that she was Senzo's partner.
Yes, you may proceed.
And then mabengena kwakumandisa hamba nabangani bakhe phambili.
Now, it was Mandisa as they walked in, and she was in front, together with her friends.
And then mabefika baqonda straight ku Kelly bafike bamshaya
Washaya.
bamshaya bamdonsa neinwele wayenza ama breedings bawahlutha awu2 aphuma.
Now, upon their arrival, they went straight to Kelly, and they started assaulting Kelly. Pulled out the braids because she had the braids on her head.
Ama braids la fana nama cornrows yabona.
These braids, as the witness is trying to explain, these are the braids that look like the cornrows.
Come again? I can't be.
She says it is the braids that look like your
cornrows.
cornrows. The cornrows.
Cornrows.
Cornrows, my lord.
How do you spell that one?
Please spell it.
Abanye bathi straight back, abanye bathi ama cornrows, but nje ku ama line kodwa a thick ayangemuva.
Others would say that it's a straight back.
Straight?
Straight back, a straight back. At least that I know, my lord.
Igama lesitayile.
And then others will say it's a cornrows. It's a cornrows. You know, these are thicker. Sometimes it could be those thicker lines, my lord, that are braided. Thicker lines from front to the back of the head, straight to the back of the head.
Yes, thanks. And who assaulted your sister, Kelly Khumalo?
Umandisa nabangani bakhe.
It was Mandisa together with her friends.
Yes.
Mayelokhu emlisa kanjalo elokhu emkhomba ethi usumbulele.
Now, as she was busy fighting her like that, she kept on pointing at her and saying to her that you've already killed him. You've killed him.
Who was saying that?
Mandisa.
Mandisa was saying that. Mandisa besho kanjalo.
Yes.
Yebo.
And then sase siyasuka sazama ukubahlukanisa ke.
We then went to them to try and separate them.
Baze bahlukana ke.
Eventually they separated.
Ngamtshela mina uMandisa ngathi Mandisa akusona isikhathi lesi.
I then told Mandisa and said, Mandisa, this is not the time.
Futhi uSenzo bengasi umuntu othanda umsindo.
And Senzo was not a person that actually liked hostility.
So azami ukuthi mhlambe noma siza ukuthi amaphapha phezulu sehlisa umoya sibhekane nesimo esibhekane naso manje.
Now let us try. No matter how aggrieved we may be feeling or how bad we may be feeling at that time, let's just try to calm down and focus on this situation or on this challenge that we are faced with right now.
Yes.
And then emva kwakho konke lokho I remember ukuthi ngangiwalka ngimotweni.
So after all that had happened, I remember that I was now walking towards the vehicle.
And then ifone yami yaringa.
Then my phone rang.
Nakhona mangithi ngiyayibheka because bengaze ngibheke isikhathini eside. Ngathola ukuthi kade vele lokhu ikhala ngayinakile.
And when I looked at the phone, because there was a considerable time that I had ignored looking at the phone or checking the phone, and I saw that it was ringing several times.
Yes, just a minute.